Hi guys, hi, welcome back with the second Sudoku in this additional of yesterday's newspaper. Yes, yesterday's newspaper on Wednesday, June the 30th, 2021. Because today on Thursday, we don't receive any additional. Yes, today we have no additional, so I decided to continue. This is today's newspaper, July the 1st, and in this newspaper we have no extra Sudoku. So I've decided to solve the puzzles of yesterday's newspaper. Yes, two are left: the Sudoku with 2 stars and a tectonic with 1 star. First, I will solve this one. And this one will be a number 3032. Alright. Before I start, I always counted printed digits. This one has 26 printed digits. And if you compare with the 1 star, 2 stars, 3 stars, and the 4 stars, this will be a 2 stars. And for 2 stars, I need 15 to 20 minutes. Yeah, it's a 2 stars. All right, you cannot compare. It's a 2 stars. Bullshit. What I talk now. All right, so let's get started. I see 2 sevens, 3 threes, 4 threes, 2 fours, 4 fives, 1 9, 2 ones, 3 4 twos. All right, 3 8s. So let me see. 7 in this column, 7 in the column next. So in that column, the only place for the 7 should be there. 4 missing numbers now in this big square. One of the missing numbers is 1. We see here 1, no 1 in these 2 boxes. There, 1, no 1 in that box. So 1 box left for the 1 should be there. 1, 2, 3, 4. 3 missing numbers in this big square. One of the missing numbers is 6. We see there 6, no 6 in these 2 boxes. So 1 box left for the 6 should be there. 2 numbers left in this big square for numbers 4 and 8. We see there 4, no 4 there. 4 should be here and the 8 goes there. So we have a 4 in this row, 4 in the middle row, so the row above. The only 2 places for the 4 should be here or there. We see there 4, no 4 there. 4 should be here. 2 missing numbers in this row. Those missing numbers are the 3 and the 9. 3 and the 9, we see there 3, no 3 there. 3 should be here and the 9 goes there. Alright. So we have a 6 in this row, 6 in the second row. So in the third row, the only place for the 6 should be there. 3 in this row, 3 in the last row. So in the row between, the only 2 places for the 3 should be here or there. We see there 3, no 3 there, 3 should be here. 3 in this column, 3 in the middle column. So in the column next, the only 2 places for the 3 should be here or there. We see there 3, no 3 there, 3 should be here. And then I cannot continue with the 3. How about the 8 in this column? The 8 in the column next. So in that column, the only place for the 8 should be there. How about the 2 in this column, the 2 in that column, so the column between the middle column, the only 2 places for the 2 should be here or there. We see there 2, no 2 there, 2 should be here. 3 Yeah. 1, 2. Okay. 6 in this column, 6 in that column. So the column between the middle column, the only place for the 6 should be there. 157, 157. All right. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 missing numbers in this big square. One of the missing numbers is 2. We see here 2, no 2 in these 3 boxes. There 2, no 2 in those 2 boxes. So 1 box left for the 2 in this big square should be there. 2 in the last column, 2 in that column. So the column between. The only place for the 2 should be there. 1 box left in this column. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. The 9 is missing. All right. The 9 is missing. So we have a 2 in the last row. 2 in the row above. So in that row, the only 2 places for the 2 should be here or there. We see there 2, no 2 there. 2 should be here. 2 in the third column. 2 in the second column. So in the first column, the only 2 places for the 2 should be here or there. We see there 2, no 2 there. 2 should be here. And all the 2's are used. I can see. Digit number 1, number 2. All right. 2 numbers left in the first column for the numbers 1 and 9. 1 and 9. We see here 1, no 1 there. 1 should be here and the 9 goes there. So we have a 9 in the last row, 9 in the row above. So in that row, only 2 places for the 9 should be here or there. We see there 9, no 9 there. 9 should be there. Then. Okay. Yeah. 164. I'm thinking 4 in this column, 4 in the middle column, so the column next, the only place for the 4 should be there. 1, 2, 3, 4, 6, and 8. 4, 6, and 8. Okay. Yeah. 6. Okay. 7, 7, 7, 7. Yeah. I'm thinking. 5, 5. 7, 8, 9. Yeah. Come on. 1, 2, 3, 4, 6, and 8. 4, 6, 8. 4, 6, 8. 1. The 9. And a 5. 195. Okay. Yeah. Yes. In this big square, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 missing numbers. One of the missing numbers is an 8. We see here an 8, no 8 in these 2 boxes. There an 8, no 8 in those 2 boxes. So the 8 could be here, could be there. So we have an 8 in one of those 2 boxes in the first row, 8 in the third row. So the row between, the only 2 places for the 8 could be here, could be there. But in the last column, I need an 8 in one of those 3 boxes in the last column. We see here an 8 in one of those 2 boxes, so no 8 there. Here an 8, no 8 there. The only place for the 8 should be there. 2 numbers left, the 2 and... No, we have a 2. The 3 and the 4 are missing. 3 and the 4, we see here 3, no 3 there. 3 should be here and the 4 goes there. So we have a 3 in the first row, 3 in the third row. So in the row between the second row, the only 2 places for the 3 should be here or there. We see there 3, no 3 there, 3 should be there. And all the 3s are used. I can see digit number 2, number 3. 4, 4, 9, 9, 7. Okay. Let me think. 1, 5, and 9. 1, 5, 9. 1, 5, 9. 1. Okay. 4, 4. 5, 5. Okay. I'm thinking. Ay. The difficult part. 1. Here can be a 1. 1. Of course, 1. 2, 6, 9. 3 and a 4. 1. The 2 we have, the 3 we have. About the number. Well, we have a 9 in this row, 9 in the middle row, so in the row below. The only 2 places for the 9. Could be here, could be there. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 is missing. 5, and the 7 is missing. 7 could be everywhere. I'm missing something. 5 in this row, 5 in the row below. So in the last row, the only 2 places for the 5. Could be here, could be there. Five. Yeah. 5 in this column, 5 in the second column. So in the third column, only 2 places for the 5. Could be here, could be there. But the 7, the 6 is also, yeah. 6. 6. Come on. 4. 1, 4, 6. Yes, 3 missing numbers in this big square. One of the missing numbers is 1. We see here 1, no 1 there. Here 1, no 1 there. Only place for the 1 in this big square should be there. 2 numbers left, the 4 and the 6 in this big square. We see here 4, no 4 there. 4 should be here. And the 6 goes there. 6 in this row, 6 in the last row. So in the row between, only place for the 6 should be there. 1 number left in this row for the number 1. 2 numbers left in this big square for the numbers 8 and 4. We have a 4 here, no 4 there. 4 should be here, and 8 goes there. 8 in this row, 8 in the row above. So in that row, the only place for the 8 should be there. I've marked those 2 boxes with 8. Now we have 8 there, so this box cannot be an 8 anymore. That box should be an 8. 2 numbers left in this big square, the 5 and the 7. Here also 5 and the 7. I cannot fill this yet. Let me mark those 2 boxes. Alright. 5 and the 7. Okay, how about 7, 9 and a 1? 7, 9 and a 1. 9. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Interesting. 6 in this column, 6 in the second column. So in the third column, the only two places for the 6 should be here or there. We see there's 6, no 6, there's 6 should be there. And I've eliminated the 5, so the 5 goes there. And I've eliminated the 9, so the 9 goes there. 1 box left in this big square for the number 7. 1 box left in the second column. 1, 2, 3. It's the 4, yes. 4 is missing 2 numbers left in this big square for the numbers 9 and 7. We see there's 7, no 7, there's 7 should be here, and the 9 goes there. Then 1 and 5, 1 and 5. How about these? The 9 and the 5. 9 and 5. 2 numbers left in the first row for the numbers 9 and 5. 9 and 5 is missing. 9 and 5. We have a 9 here, no 9 there. 9 should be here, and a 5 goes there. 1 box left in the middle column for the number 7. 1 box left in this big square for the number 5. 2 numbers left in this big square for the numbers 1 and 5. We see there 5, no 5 there. 5 should be here, and a 1 goes there. 1 in this row, 1 in the third row, so the row between. The only place for the 1 should be there. 1 in this column, 1 in the middle column, so the column next. The only place for the 1 should be there. 2 numbers left in this big square for the numbers 9 and 7. We see here 9, no 9 there. 9 should be here, and a 7 goes there. And the final 2 numbers of this big square for the numbers 7 and 5. 7 and 5. We see there 5, no 5 there. 5 should be here, and the 7 goes there. Finish in 60 minutes. Alright, great. Sudoku with 2 stars. Yes, definitely a 2 stars because I solved this between 15 and 20 minutes. So it's correct. And I like this one, yes. I really do. Do you think so? Thumbs up, otherwise thumbs down. You can also download this PDF file so you can make it or solve it by yourself. Thank you again for watching, and I will see you later with the third Sudoku. It's a tectonic with 1 star. See you then. Bye bye for now.